It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Hello everyone, I'm Miss Nisha and today we are going to do a rain cloud experiment, and you can do this at home very easily with probably with the things that you have at home. Over here, I'm going to show you the things that we will need. We will need a clear jar. It could be plastic or glass, but it has to be clear so you can see through it. We need food coloring. I'm taking blue food coloring over here to show the rain. We need a dropper and a small bowl, and we need shaving foam and also water. So let's go ahead and start to do the experiment. Okay, so here we're going to pour some water in a bowl, just a little bit, not too much. Go. And we're going to take the blue food coloring, open it very carefully. Let's put a few drops inside. I put 5 drops in. That's it. Okay, so this will, let's mix it with the dropper. There we go. Right, now we're going to fill our jar with water. Let's fill it to 3/4, not all the way to the top, but to 3/4. The water shows the atmosphere. Okay. Some more. Okay, that should be enough. A little more than 3/4. Okay. And then the very exciting part. Let's take the shaving foam. You can shake it a bit. And let's spray it in very carefully. If it makes that noise, shake it a little more. That shows our cloud. Shake it a little more. I want a little bigger cloud. And there it is. Our rain cloud is ready. Okay, and now we are going to take, keep this aside, we are going to take our dropper. Now this is very easy to do. Press it. And let's drop some. This is our rain, okay? We're going to put it on top of the cloud very slowly, and when the rain cloud gets very heavy and fills with water, it starts to rain. Oh, look at that! You can see it raining down. Let's add some more. And very slowly you will see that it's starting to rain down into our atmosphere. You can use more than one color as well at home. Let's try to rain some more. Can you see the very beautiful rain? Very slowly the rain will start coming down the atmosphere. So that was a fun science experiment for the rain cloud. I hope you enjoyed it very much, just as I did. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next time. Goodbye.